Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the Guess the Synonyms challenge? Test your knowledge with 40 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true word master. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Can you guess the synonym for happy? Yes, the answer is joyful. Well done. Let's see if you can guess the synonym for big. Large is the answer. What is the synonym for fast? It's quick. Ready for the next one? The answer is intelligent. Guess the correct synonym for easy. Correct answer is simple. All right, Quizlers, those were the first 5. Have you guessed them all so far? Can you guess this? And the answer is freezing. Let's see if you can guess the synonym for angry. The answer is furious. Here comes your next challenge. The answer is tiny. Can you get this one right? Gentle. Great job. Let's see if you can guess the synonym for tired. Right answer is sleepy. Let's see how you do with this one. The answer is amusing. Can you guess the synonym for loud? It's noisy. Great. Let's see if you can guess this one. The answer is wealthy. Here comes your next challenge. Yes, shiny is the correct answer. Let's see if you can guess the synonym for clean. It's neat. Fantastic. Can you guess the synonym for strong? The answer is powerful. Can you guess this? Yes, the answer is pretty. Guess the synonym for the word quick. The correct answer is fast. Ready for the next one? Gentle is the answer. Let's see if you can guess the synonym for dark. The answer is dim. Well done. We've made it to question 20. You're doing great. Ready for this one? The answer is warm. Can you guess the synonym for tall? Yes, the answer is high. Well done. Let's see if you can guess the synonym for brave. Courageous is the answer. What is the synonym for sad? It's unhappy. Ready for the next one? The answer is affordable. Guess the correct synonym for old. Correct answer is ancient. Let's see if you can guess the synonym for busy. The answer is occupied. Can you get this one right? The answer is damp. Here comes your next challenge. Silent. Great job. Let's see if you can guess the synonym for thick. The answer is dense. Wow, you've made it all the way to number 30. You're on fire. Let's see how you do with this one. The answer is idle. Can you guess the synonym for safe? It's secure. Great. Let's see if you can guess this one. The answer is complete. Here comes your next challenge. Yes, overweight is the correct answer. Let's see if you can guess the synonym for thin. It's slim. Fantastic. Can you guess the synonym for near? The answer is close. Can you guess this one? Yes, the answer is prompt. Guess the synonym for hard. The correct answer is tough. Ready for the next one? Well-known is the answer. Let's see if you can guess the synonym for empty. The answer is vacant. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 40 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next one. Happy quizzing!